Negative feedback kills eBay conversion rates instantly, but stop panicking because there are multiple ways to get feedback removed on eBay, right? So we see this negative feedback right here, and it is terrible. We don't want this to keep happening, right? So we want to get this removed if possible. And the best thing you can do right now is to act as fast as possible, right? So if you see the feedback come in, you want to try to attack it same day or next day if possible, right? The first thing we want to do is try to get eBay to remove the review, right? So we want eBay's automatic removal criteria is going to be profanity, personal contact info, delays, product reviews, right? So it's not about the seller service, it's about something else. And those are the ones that we definitely want to be disputing straight up. And this is actually eBay's feedback policy on the ones that they're going to remove. And there's a lot to it. Like, how do we remove feedback? When do we remove it? And they kind of just go through all of this. Personal attacks that could harm the reputation of the seller. It's crazy. A lot of different things. But what we want to do straight up is we want to remove it, right? So if somebody says, like, for example, give me a $20 partial refund or I'll leave negative feedback, that's called extortion, right? So for that, we can definitely get it removed. And then we can go through this tool right here. It's ebay.com/seller help/feedback. And this is asking eBay to remove the review. So you can go into negative feedback, the item ID, show results, and then you can contact eBay to actually get that review removed. Make sure that you mention the exact policy reason on why you want it removed and why it should be removed. There's a lot to this. They added a lot in here, so there is a broad area. So just wait for eBay to see if they'll remove it. If they don't remove it, what you can do is actually ask the buyer to remove it too. It is difficult to get the buyer to remove negative feedback. Obviously, they had a bad experience, or they're just trying to rip you off. But what you want to do is understand they can only ask the buyer to revise feedback 5 times. So if you have people coming to you and there's 6 of them that are like, I hate this negative review, you can only ask 5 of them per year, right? That's the annual feedback revision request amount. And what you can do first is reply to your buyer's feedback. So there's a way to reply to this if you are the seller, and you can comment under this and be like, hey, like, I think this person sells chickens. You could say, my chicken is fertile. You stop, right? So that way with other buyers see it, they're like, it's just somebody's trying to rip them off. It makes sense. They probably do have fertile chickens or whatever. And then what you can do is request a feedback revision. Now you can only do 5 revisions per calendar year. So you need to be very, very careful on how you do this. What you're going to need to do is you need to get the buyer to actually say, yes, I will revise it before you send the revision request. Don't just go sending revision requests. You only get 5 per year, right? In order to do this, you kind of need to work around eBay's policy if you do want to get it removed, aka pretty much saying, hey, look, we're going to be giving you a full refund and you get to keep the item, but you've got to remove this negative feedback. And if they say yes, you do not give them the refund until they remove the negative feedback. So you give that, or you give them a partial refund, and you're like, oh, you know what? We're about to give the rest, but can you remove your negative feedback? Here you go. So there is a way to do that. And we have been doing this successful since day one. If eBay doesn't remove it, you can see this person right here is Allison on our team. She's the OG. Original feedback rating was negative. They said that it truly sucks. Don't waste your time. Changed it to just thumbs up positive. And that was with our system on what to say, what to do, so we can get that negative feedback changed to a positive feedback. But again, you can only do it 5 times per year. So pick and choose your battles. But if you did need help on eBay, contact EHP Consulting Group. We can specialize in removing eBay feedback as well as contacting eBay to make sure that they understand their own policy, because eBay, that people that work there, they are lazy. So you do have to do the legwork. That way they'll be able to click a button, remove it, and you're good to go. I'm Josh Haggett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, signing out.